Good evening once again, YouTube. Guess I'm on a roll tonight, but I would like to show uh, two mini maglites I have that could be, or in my case, will be used for nighttime stuff. It's got my car scanner. If you could show my scanner and where it's at. That's a Uniden SR30C. Sorry, and I've got a wideband portable antenna attached to it. But right now, it's mostly just monitoring air traffic, which it picks up pretty well. But let me cut right to the chase. The two flashlights, two mini maglites I have for nighttime, night vision, nighttime operations, what have you. And the first one is a Xenon Mini Maglite. It's got a xenon bulb, and it's got the digital camo, kind of worn out at the head switch there. But let me show what's special about it. It's got a night vision green lens, and this is a military grade lens, which paid a lot more than a hamburger at McDonald's for, but I bought it in 2019 when I didn't have the responsibilities I do now. And I got the flashlight itself in 2023 at some point at a local hardware store. But I had the lens on other flashlights in the past, but ever since then I've kept it on this flashlight. And what it does is it blocks infrared light, but it shows green light, and that makes it compatible with night vision equipment. And I like the color, and if I ever were to use night vision equipment, I got a flashlight that's compatible with it. But as y'all can see, puts off a good green light, and since it's got an incandescent bulb, supposedly it would be EMP proof. That's my wife, by the way, recording this video. So that's the first mini maglite I wanted to show. And it's got, I got this pocket clamp, which I wish Maglite would have designed those better. It's a major design flaw, but I keep it, when I do carry it in my backpack, I have a place that I clip it to in my backpack. The next one is a Mini Maglite Pro, and the 332 lumen version, and this one's an LED for the record. And the one I bought came with some lenses and a lens ring and a lanyard, which I didn't even install the lanyard. I didn't even bother, because that's another design flaw that Maglite has. But let me show. I'll put the red lens on since it'll be for night vision and whatnot. This is on high mode with the red lens, and this is good for reading at night, reading instruments at night should the lights on there fail, reading maps, just doing anything in low light conditions where you won't strain your eyes. And even better, it's got a low mode, so it would even further not strain your eyes and allow you to see pretty good. So that's the red. It's the Mini Maglite Pro with red, and that's the two Mini Maglites that I use for nighttime operations, night ops, whatever you would call it. Let me wipe my glasses a second here. The humidity is crazy at the moment. We had a slight shower earlier today. There might have been some thunderstorms, but Skip was rolling in like crazy after I was picking up weather radio stations from all over on your scanner, baby. I had tuned your scanner to the weather band just to see what was coming in, and I think I picked up 3 or 4 different weather stations. But so that's the two Mini Maglites I use. We're at a park in Westwego, Louisiana right now. I sometimes come around here to listen to my scanner, because there's not as much electrical noise as there is in the heart of the city of Westwego. And let me see what banks I got on. Bank 2. Bank 2 is trucker communications, whether it be free band, regular CB, and some VHF, and a couple of UHF frequencies. Then let's see what other bank I got on. Bank 7 is fixed wing aircraft, and that's the bulk of what we're hearing tonight when it talks. And then bank 10 is for rotary wing aircraft or helicopters, because I think helicopters are cool, and had a hyperfixation with helicopters ever since, I guess, the age of 1 or 2, when my mom showed me a picture of a helicopter in the Reader's Digest. And that's partially why I'm into putting a red lens on this Mini Maglite, is even though I'd probably never be an aviator myself, I hear of aviators using the color red in their cockpits. So that's pretty cool. Put it on low mode. And see, I can read the scanner. Again, that was a tower at New Orleans International, 119.5. That's their tower frequency, and it's pretty active around here because we're not that far as the crow flies from it. But this bank deposit slip I got to get rid of, or deposit receipt, not deposit slip. But so, baby, you got anything to say? Oh, you tired, huh? You tired? All right. Well, this therefore concludes my video. Y'all have a good night. Y'all be safe. Y'all be blessed. Till next time. Good night.